So DPI, what is it?
For me, it's a digital highway. The same way highways have enabled commerce and our capacity to transcend physical time, connect with people. This is what DPI is. It's enabling at the digital level to connect people, government, and MSMEs, not only communicate, but share resources and service consumers better.
It's this freedom. This freedom to reuse my data on my terms, to get bigger benefits, to get time and location independency, to get good quality or extra value services that I really think that we deserve to get.
I mean, there are definitely challenges, right? Because there's access, first and foremost. I mean, nobody's talked about it yet, but just the number of people who don't even have access to electricity, let alone digital technology. There's unfortunately still a divide between men and women, so there's a gender-based divide. There's this capacity.
First and foremost, digital transformation is a human change. It's a habitual change. It's a change how people psychologically engage in one or another thing. You have to get the leadership right.
Everybody's used the word inclusive. What does that mean? That means it actually affects everybody. You don't know how she's going to use it or how I'm going to use it, but it's there. And that, I think, is the beauty of this approach, right? We build this, you give people what they need to be able to access those roles. And from that, you get financial services, from that you get businesses, you get jobs, you get benefits, you get health and education services.
There are many ways in which trust can be built, but the all fundamental principle is, are you open and transparent? Is it possible for you, with some level of anonymization, for the civil society to audit yourself? And is it possible for you to show that whenever there are grievances, you settle the grievances in a transparent, open, and quick way?
But the beauty of DPI is that it gives a level playing field to the private sector to come in and innovate and have solutions that are people-centric and compete for, the share of wallet or the voice of the consumer. And that competition is actually valuable for consumers because it will drive costs down and it will increase visibility of the system.
When we get things right, when we put digital technologies to basic functionings and activities, and then bring them together, extraordinary things happen.